Okay, Delia, it's your turn. I miss you. Let's take a look at your... There you are. What a pretty dress you have on. Let's see what you look like. Wow, beautiful. Okay, let's take care of Rosie first. Oh, and Rosie's going to come up to you. Here's Rosie. Let's go in the house. Ask Rosie to follow us. Oh, she likes you. Okay, let's play with a toy. I know you wanted to take Rosie on a walk, but it won't work. So we're going to play with her instead. We're going to play fetch. Go get it, Rosie. Good job. Oh, and there's Lucas. Hey, Lucas. Aw, and Rosie brought it back to you. She's a good girl. Let's try again. All right, throw it, Delia. Go. And go. Oh, yeah. Nice job. And she's going to bring it back to you. She's so smart. Awesome. Okay, let's take care of Patches now. And you wanted to do the laser pointer with Patches. So I'm going to call Patches over. I think she's in the living room here. I think Lucas was playing with her. There's Patches. Oh, she was probably on the kitchen counter. Ay, ay, ay. Caught her doing that. Naughty. Okay. What? School starts for Mia in an hour? No way. Yeah, I guess you guys have to go to school in this sense. What is Rosie doing? So cute. I love your hair. Okay, let's pick Patches up and we'll give her a little hug. Oh, now you guys are friends. Ah. Oh. That's so cute. Thank you so much for taking care of her, Delia. Awesome. All right, I miss you. I'll see you later.